Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to choose life insurance in 2025. With rising costs and new tech advancements, picking the right policy is more crucial than ever for protecting your loved ones. Let's break it down step by step. First, what exactly is life insurance? It's a contract that pays a sum to your beneficiaries if you pass away, helping cover debts, funerals, or even future expenses. In 2025, the options have evolved with AI-driven tools making it easier to get personalized quotes based on your health and lifestyle data. Now, let's talk types. There are two main categories: term life insurance, which covers you for a set period like 10, 20, or 30 years at a lower cost, and permanent life insurance, such as whole or universal, which lasts your entire life and can build cash value over time. When choosing, start by assessing your needs. Think about your age, health, income, and family obligations. A good rule of thumb is to aim for coverage that's 10 to 15 times your annual salary. Don't forget to compare premiums from multiple providers. Online platforms in 2025 offer instant comparisons and even virtual advisors. Look out for add-ons called riders, like accidental death benefits or disability waivers, to customize your policy. And here's a pro tip. Always read the fine print and consult a licensed financial advisor to avoid pitfalls. With these steps, you'll make an informed decision that fits your budget and goals. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more financial tips. What's your biggest concern about life insurance? Let me know in the comments.